diagnosis on this. Makes the sound in neutral. Put it here. Sound goes away. Okay, trying to figure out the YXZ transmission knock sound. This is currently what the filter's looking like. Draining the fluid. It's not the best looking fluid. Alright, transmission's up on the table. We're gonna start breaking it down. Maybe I'll throw up a little camera for a time lapse. Looking at 19 gear sets so we can get that thrown in. And we gotta figure out what gear is cracked. So stay tuned. I'll hurry and throw up a camera and we'll rip this apart. Got the case half off, and I mean, just spinning it's not catching right now. Okay, we got her all tore down. The only real bad signs I'm seeing is right here. There's a rolled tooth. It's not fully rolled. Let's go back around to it. There's one. I rolled a couple of them. We're gonna go through and replace all the gears. Alright, well, we got two cracks right there. It looks like it's just, it cracks from almost peeling that tooth. Just stopped at Jack's, or Mike, however you know him. Coolest dude in the YXZ game. He just hooked it up with some 2019 gears for the YXZ. He had them in stock, so bought them from him. Let's go. Gonna run to Rocky Mountain ATV real quick, grab the rest of the stuff, gaskets, the rest of the gears. Gotta go up to Cody Anderson, grab one gear from him. And I think we'll be able to get all the parts in one day locally, slap the YXZ back together. Out here just hitting the corners in the old Dobster. Come on, Dobby. That's all she's got, that's for it. We're hauling ass though. Okay, what a crazy day. I'm already out of work clothes, back at the house. We've got this all still apart, so I'm waiting on one gear. I need the second gear wheel. I forgot my keys in the house, so I'm running back and forth. But yeah, I got Riley looking for a gear. Cody says he has a gear. We're just gonna see what happens there. Go grab one of those second gears from one of those guys. Should be able to get the Z back up and running, hopefully in less than 24 hours. And now that we're comparing them, definitely a good idea to just change this out. Definitely some good marks inside the pump. Probably works fine, but for the $50, well worth just changing it. Pressing these out real quick, just comparing the two gears. I mean, there is a slight difference between the 19 and the 16. But there is a difference, so there you go. Well, finally, the last piece of the puzzle showed up. Rocky Mountain dropped the ball. Gave me the wrong gear, and then the gear that I was supposed to get is on back order. So I had to hit Partzilla up, but they got me taken care of. Transmission's just sitting here, been waiting for this gear. I just gotta pop off this end, one shift fork, throw this gear on, slide the case together, throw the transmission in. The new part, the thing I've been most excited about, that part will be here tomorrow. Oh yeah, and then get this. This is just my luck. UPS delivered this to the wrong house. And I had to call UPS and be like, hey, it said it was delivered at my front door. It was not. So yeah, it's just been a mess. Hopefully they don't do that with my sick part that's coming up tomorrow.